Hi guys, welcome to Sophia's Nursery. We got this sign at a local comic book store, and it is Winnie the Pooh, and it says "It's a Wonderful World." Her changing pad and dresser came from Target, and we decided to go with all white furniture for her room because we have gray walls, and we thought that the white would really pop nice. Here we have a giant beer that we got from Sam's Club, and then we also have a giant penguin that we got from Sam's Club, and I thought they would look super cute in her room, and they do. Her crib is a farmhouse style crib, and that also came from Target. I swear this video is not sponsored by Target in any way, but we just legitimately like all the stuff that they had. Her pillow is a noggin nest by the Boppy brand, and it helps to keep the baby's head round, and it can also go in a car seat because it does have Velcro, which is really nice, and it is machine washable, so if anything gets on it, you just throw it in the washing machine. These shelves here also came from Target. I believe they were $24, and they are the 11-inch cube shelves and not the 13-inch because her room is a little bit smaller. Her little cubby bins, the pink and gray ones, we got at Meijer, and that's kind of like a Midwest grocery store if you're not from here. This picture was hand-drawn and hand-painted by my sister, and I really love it because it has the blush pinks and the grays, and who doesn't love Winnie the Pooh? This picture frame here says "Love at First Sight," and we had this on her registry list at Target, and we put her sonogram pictures on there, and it's so adorable. Her nightlight also came from Target, and it projects stars onto the walls and ceiling, and has really low light because she is sleeping in her room on her own now, which is why we have this camera here. I'm not exactly sure where it came from. We did get it at the baby shower, but I really do like that I can keep an eye on her. And this little book bin came from her Grandma Carl, and the sparkly unicorn my mom and my sister brought up the day that she was born, and it just kind of sticks with the pink theme with the stuffed animals. And so this is her room, just kind of a little overview. We do have a cross in her room because we do believe in God, and that is her nursery. And if you guys want to see her snack some more, go ahead and give this video a like. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe. And you can also follow us on Instagram at The Little Carls. And can you just see how cute this bib is? I mean, come on. All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.